And say sweeter than honey. A joke TV, I eat everybody sit down and a breathe. That joke can't see from young at home.
Everything shine, everything paradise. SWMG. Madam Bad, she said don't be no idiot. Stop the way this something, stop from be afraid that. They say baby why you pray that. She said come closer, let me tell you now your ears. She said charge with the touch, I'm not cheating. From she know about it, she said charge with the touch. Give them the work and connect the box, she said.
Yes, that's the one. It's right, so happy. And I'm glad to see you.
Of course not.
No mistake. Yes. On a big man level, how long were they now?
Long time.
Long time. I have to tell you the truth. Yeah, the best thing ever happened in my life. Like the world is like everything. And you know say boy, yes, you know say it's like me just can't wait no longer. I just have to do this right now, right here and then, you know.
Hold on, wait. Let me call mommy. Hello, mommy. Guess what? I'm getting married. Hold on. My sister, let me call my sister, babe. Hold on. Sis, guess what? I'm getting married. Yes. He's on his knees right now. Yes, sis. Okay, I'll send you some pic. Continue, babes. Continue. Babes. Babes.
Me ain't sure if you did accept it, so me just see a try a thing. Yes, me never sure if you did accept it. Cause remember say we did watch something and we see up U-Tech and we see girl style nigga and I say oh, you see me so.
Try something. Okay.
I get my yes man.
Something wrong if we start a life. Something wrong with that?
Yeah, but me name.
But what?
The chill no babes. Chill man. Yeah man, say look a joke me around man. Remember say me live with my mother same way man. I'm still a take that.
Oh shit, just.
Yes, you can't. Yes, I look a joke me around. Yes, I look good.
Thanks baby, you look good too.
Say I move so yes. Can't kiss it.
No, you're not. With just me, why you move so fast?
Eat what? With something. Let me not eat. Look how much time I eat. I eat left and I eat right. What more eat you want me eat up? You want me eat up?
Baby, come on now. It is something what every girl dream of, what every girl want their man to eat.